Hello then, this is the final video. So in this video we will use one of these block programming interfaces to make a small and quick app to test our deployed model. So I will use MIT AppInventor. There is CodeLar is a very nice one too. I have used it in some occasions, and it's a drag and drop application. So we just drag some components. For instance, in my main screen here, I drag a vertical alignment and then a horizontal alignment in the bottom part. In the vertical alignment, I placed a label in the top, an image here to show the image, a button, an image picker, and a second image here that is the thumbnail image, and I will use a web component to send request and receive response, and I use this nice extension here to convert from base 64 to image. You can find it here. So it's a thank you to the guys that made this available. Here there's a link so you can upload the extension. In the block part, so here there's the code. I used a global variable to fetch the response. When the screen initializes, I just set the screen, and then here I was testing the module just to see that I can set a string to an image. When I pick an image, when I press the image picker, I pick an image and I set it to the thumbnail. The image one is the thumbnail. When I press the upload button, then I send the image. This is the same address. I put here some headers. I won't save it to a file. I set a label just to know what the application is doing, and I call the post method. Remember that we were using on Postman, we have to use post method. Put methods are not defined in our API. So when we get the response, we could get the response to a file if we wanted to save to a file, but we're getting text. I am saving the response to the global variable. Not sure if this was necessary, just because I'm getting the response twice here. So here I set the length of the response just to know how many bytes we are receiving, to have some debugging. We could make a larger, I did make a larger label before and just printed the response before and then I converting it to from base 64 to an image and then setting it to the large image. When I click build here, the application will build and give us a QR code that we can film and download it to our mobile phone. I'm just testing, I just did that, and I will. So here's the image. Oops. I just have a test image here, and I will select an image. No, I'm selecting this other one. This one looks nicer. So I selected an image. It shows here in the, and then I will hit upload. It's a bit out of focus, but the buttons they read select and upload. You can see them here, and here we have the downloaded image. I will dismiss this. Well, here you have the return image. This version is still without the drive your dreams, but it's working. I was just showing you the button. They read upload and select. It's a little blurry in the image. So of course this is not a great project. Simple steps. There are many more things that I could have done, but it shows all the steps in a pipeline, from semantic segmentation to some basic image processing, upload it to the AWS cloud using a Docker container because of our image size, and finally making a small app for a mobile testing and then sending the API calls to AWS and then receiving the response and showing the image in the mobile phone. Hope you enjoyed it. We end up here, this project. Stay tuned for the next one. See you. Bye.